इसमें जो भी ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल के अलावा जो आपने एग्जाम्पल शेयर किए, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एंड वेरी हार्ट टचिंग। द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि ये एग्जाम्पल्स आसानी से भूलेंगे नहीं हम लोग, ये हमेशा याद रहेंगे। इट्स वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड।
सर मेरा जो भी हमने ये ट्रेनिंग सेशन किया है उसमें अगर हम कुछ वीडियो क्लिप्स या कुछ ऐसा रखें तो ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा इस ट्रेनिंग सेशन को फुली सेटिस्फाई करने में, नॉलेज को इंक्रीज करने में।
We like the way how you have given this training. Like आप जैसे पब्लिक को इन्वॉल्व किया आपने, you have not left even a single person. Your eyes was on the people. अगर एक आदमी नहीं सुन रहा है तो आपने उसको टच में लाने की कोशिश करी है। You have done the individual question with him so that he will also take attention. You have not done, you can say, done this training as your duty. I came here, I have to spend 8 hours, I have to pick my money, I have to go back. No, you have, you can say, this time has some value for us. Second one feedback, if you know that you are coming for 8 hours only, your presentation should be maintained that way. You was escaping some things, you are just forwarding it. Now we are thinking you left some content which you have told us. So if that will meant like it may be training program of 2 days at least. You have covered it in 1 day, so you should have at least individual presentation for 1 day, which we will not feel that you have a case, some topic you have not told us.
For me, on behalf of my company and all my team members, I just want to thank you very much for such a tremendous training program. And as Prabjit already mentioned about the training period, the time of training duration, yes, it's a very short time, only 8 hours training program. Definitely it's a 2 or 3 day training program for you to complete all the presentation and give us all the technical details about the Lotto. But really the way you covered all the topics and the way you touch all the topics of Lotto, it's tremendous. And we're really thankful to you for your training program. Thank you.
You related with very simple examples from life to explain us difficult things and make us remember. So I think a lot of us will remember a lot of things because the examples which you related were very simple, and that was really good.
And शेर को खड़ा करने वाला is the most one of them. Because I have attended many quality trainings and the risk assessment and others is the same. But always I something confused in the material. But now I make sure that
the acronym is something like severity and priority.
Very confusing.
It was very confusing. Even we have tried to make this in our in-house also, but to give in low what is the critical high. That's very simple.